Here's how to install our OCAM tailgate lock for the Mitsubishi Triton. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. Remove the Phillips head screws holding in the tailgate cover and set aside. Undo the plastic clips holding in the wires on the left hand side. We'll need to move them out of the way so we can slide the tailgate lock into place, and we'll refit this later. Remove the two 10mm bolts holding in the rod bracket and then slide in the tailgate lock. Reuse the same 10mm bolts and secure. Make sure to push the tailgate lock as far forward as you can so the lock engages with the release latch. Test the lock by pushing on the motor to make sure it is engaging with the latch. Next, connect up the wires to the extension lead. We don't need to use the red wire here. Remove the Phillips head screw holding in the cable cover in the corner and route the wires through the grommet. Use a knife to add a small cut to pull the wires through, then feed in the excess. You'll need to add another cut to the second grommet next to it, which exits out underneath the vehicle. Reinstall the grommets, then cable manage the wires with zip ties. Then reinstall the cable cover. We followed the existing wiring harnesses along the chassis rails and routed it up towards the grommet sitting underneath the passenger seat, which is located here next to the body mount. Pull apart the bottom door trim and kick panel. The kick panel is held in with 3 clips and 2 of them are hidden further up in these spots. Pull up the carpet to expose the grommet and add a small cut to route the lock wires through. Then reinstall the grommet. Add some silicone sealant around the cut mark so water doesn't enter the vehicle. The tailgate lock taps into the small wiring harness sitting on top of the plug stack in the kick panel. The green wire from the lock lead connects to the blue wire with red trace and is located on the top right of the plug. The blue unlock wire from the lock lead attaches to the blue wire with black trace, which is located right next to the factory unlock wire. Solder these connections and seal them with electrical tape. Once that is done, give the key a quick test to make sure the lock is engaging, then reassemble the interior trim panels. Reinstall the rear tailgate cover with its factory Phillips head screws. And there you have it, your OCAM tailgate lock is installed.